Listen and repeat after me slowly. Listen and repeat after me slowly. English is the language of the modern era. English is the language of the modern era. English is the language of science and technology and scientific research. English is the language of science and technology and scientific research. English is the language of tourism and travel. English is the language of tourism and travel. What happens here? What happens here? Tell me about yourself. Tell me about yourself. What do you say? What do you say? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Are you stupid? Are you stupid? No way. No way. Sit down, please. Sit down, please. Stand up, please. Stand up, please. Let me go. Let me go. Change your style. Change your style. Remember this day. Remember this day. Send me a message. Send me a message. Introduce yourself, please. Introduce yourself, please. Advise me what I should do. I need to improve my English. I need to improve my English. I am glad to meet you. I am glad to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. Please understand my circumstances. Please understand my circumstances. I made this decision. I made this decision. I am grateful for you. I am grateful for you.